Ozark Adventures and Reviews today. We've got the Onetigris Bungalow 2.0 tent that we're going to do an unboxing today. And let's see what we got in here. Comes with your tent. Bag of steaks and your stuff sack. All right, let's go ahead and get this set up. There's a couple things you guys are going to need to set this up. Doesn't come with any poles. You're going to need some tracking poles. You'll also need a ground cover. I like to use Tyvek. It's cheap, it's easy. You can usually get it for free at local construction sites. And you'll need a couple of twigs or additional tracking poles. So I decided we were just going to go ahead and make some out here since we were out in the woods. Let's set this thing up. The Onetigris Backwoods Bungalow Shelter 2.0 comes with one stuff sack, 6 guidelines, 10 tent stakes, as well as a sack for those. However, you are going to need 15 stakes to set this tent up properly. Comes with YKK zippers set and features 75D nylon. The dimensions of the tent are 6.8 feet long by 4.1 feet wide and 3.7 feet tall. Alright, now that we got it all set up, let's take a good tour of this thing. Well, thanks for tuning in. There will be a review on this tent here to come in the future after I do a good test runs on it. I will let you guys know how it performs. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.